Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix an issue where you cannot download an app. An app is unavailable on your OnePlus Open 5G. You can see that I've been searching for Call of Duty, which is now unavailable for me because of parental control. You can disable or change the restrictions in settings. So let's go back to the main screen of Google Play Store and click on your profile icon in top right corner. Then find Settings, Family and Parental Controls. Here you can see your content restrictions. My current content restrictions is PEGI free. That means that I'm only allowed to download and install apps that are for people under 3 years old. To change it, you can either disable parental controls or click here to change the restrictions. But to change it, you need to know the PIN number that has been set by a person who enabled parental controls on your device. So let's change it and let's enter a PIN that was previously set for parental controls. Mine was this one. Then press on OK, and here you can change the restriction to most restrictive or least restrictive. Got it. Then press on save. You can also disable restrictions to enable the user to download apps for any age group. To do it, click on this switch. Now the parental controls are off. Let's see if now we can download Call of Duty. Search for Call of Duty and you can see you can just click on install and it will automatically start downloading. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.